My name is Julie, and we got this building because we needed a place to kind of get away and keep our house quiet, and for the kids to kind of like have their area, but also at the same time is that I needed a place to work out. So the building was large enough that we're able to split it in half, and half of the building is my workout, the other half is kind of like an office space. So we take turns. The kids will go in there when there's a TV set up in there. So when I'm not working out, they get to go in there and watch movies, play, dance, do whatever. And when no one's in there and it's quiet, then it's an office time and work can be done. And that was kind of like the big thing for getting this building. So when I was wanting to look for a building, I wasn't sure where to start, and I thought about getting it built first, and I'm like, oh, that's too hard. So I started looking for builders in the area, and I found Quality Storage, and they made things very easy. It was easy to pick. I like this color. I really wanted a different color of roof, and it really fit exactly in our backyard. The delivery process was amazing, and it was an easy setup. I would definitely recommend it to friends and family, and if I couldn't, I had more space, I would get another one.